Can you give me those scissors?
Of course. Hang on, I'm making a little
You did. I didn't hear the water run.
Uh-oh, hand washing time.
Train.
Yay.
I'm making a video.
Oh.
Of course. Just
Yeah.
a minute. Let me just take a picture of Peter and his train. Nice, Peter.
Watch out for those scissors right there, so you know where they are.
Can you open my next present?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.